So for this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to take a PSD, meaning a file that has layers. See how this file has layers? And you can see up here how it says .psd. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to take a PSD file and then save it so it turns into a .jpeg file, which is what you want to turn in to grade, so I can grade your work, and also what you can turn in to share out with others easily. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the top of my screen and I'm going to do a save as. And it's really important that I'm in the correct folder. For my project I am. It's K. Farrell, 8th grade. You guys will have to look at your folder and make sure it is correct. If it's not, that's okay. Go to desktop and then find on your desktop the folder that you want to work with. Again, I want to work with the 8th grade folder. And my project is named correctly. For this project, I needed to name it last name C. You need to figure out which project you're working on and make sure it's named correctly. And those directions are posted in the assignment that you're working on. And right now it says it's a PSD, and I know so because the format here also says Photoshop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to the JPEG. And I get a lot of questions of, well, which JPEG, Mrs. Farrell? The top one. The one right below IFF, this is the JPEG. And then I'm going to click on that. Now in your folder you might not see any files. These are all the JPEGs that I have in my folder. So it doesn't really matter if you see files here or not. It just filters so it only views JPEGs. So I've done it right because it says my last name, it says the project name, and it says the file extension, which is .jpeg because the format is JPEG. So I'm going to go ahead and click my positive, which is save. It says it already exists, and that's, you know what, actually I'm just going to name it something else in case it's different than what I already have saved. And I'm going to press save. And right here, this says it's 12, which is great. Sometimes yours defaults a little bit lower, so just make sure that this is scrubbed all the way over to the far right, and then you press OK. So nothing's really happened on my screen, but if I go into my 8th grade folder, I'll be able to see, oh, here's my JPEG saved. Okay? So now what I need to do is I need to get to Google. And because I already have it opened and I'm already signed into my classroom, I can just come down here and click, and this is the window that I want to be working with. So now I'm ready to turn in my project. So I am pretending that I'm part of this class. You guys need to get to your class, and then you always go straight to the classwork page. And then you need to scroll down and look and see projects in class. Oh, this isn't the... Okay, whatever, it doesn't matter. So here I have some projects in class, so I'm going to click on the correct project post. And then I'm going to go down here where it says View Assignment, and I'm going to click to open the assignment. And then you'll see here, it tells you to turn in a JPEG. And so a lot of times I'll try and prompt you guys to turn in a JPEG. For instance, up here, it even says it should be lastnamesnow.jpg for that project. Then, as soon as you get here, what you need to do is you need to click on the Add or Create. And what we're uploading is a file. And we need to browse to find it. And we need to browse our desktop. So the quickest way to get to desktop is clicking here. And then remember, I was saving my work in my 8th grade folder, so you need to find your first and last name folder and double click on it. And I named it Farrell C5. And then I'm pressing open. I know that I've saved a JPEG because right here it says .jpeg. And also when I click on this, up here it tells me it's a JPEG and it shows me that preview. Now, because I've done all this, I can press Turn In and Turn In. And now my project has been turned in and I'm good to go. If you need to add a comment, like Mrs. Farrell, I didn't have time to finish my project, or I was absent the first day, you can add a comment here to send to me. And that is how you turn on your work. And I always have at the bottom of any document, all the way at the bottom, it always says all done and then directions how to save. File, save as, PSD, File Save As, change the format to JPEG. Okay, so there's those directions. And then this shows you go to Google Classroom Classwork Project Post, and then View Assignment, and then Add or Create, File, Upload, Browse. So this is in this document, and if I go back to the classwork page and I click on this other assignment, it will be there as well, because I always have it at the bottom. So you guys can either watch the video, listen to the video, or read the directions and follow along. See, at the bottom of every assignment post, it always has it for you. All right, good luck. I can't wait to see the work you make.